Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term MOG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, MOG is slang for outshining or surpassing someone, often in appearance or style. People use it when highlighting how someone looks or presents themselves better than others. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. MOG first showed up in the early 2010s gaming communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and gamers. Now let's check out how to use MOG in a sentence. Correct example 1. She really managed to MOG everyone at the party with her stunning outfit. Correct example 2. I was totally MOGged by his new sneakers at the concert. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said MOG at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using MOG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. MOG means outshining or surpassing someone, often in appearance or style. It started in the early 2010s gaming communities, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with MOG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.